Hello, welcome to my channel, that is free education. Today I have discussed about the diploma courses and how you will easily pass, how you can easily score in diploma. So nowadays diploma examination is a very vital examinations and very good opportunities there after diploma. So after completion of a diploma you can easily get a very good job. So there are so many streams are there, like mechanical, civil, electrical, electronics. So you can choose any one stream as per your choice. So there are two types of diploma courses, types in the sense that few courses are formed for daytime and few evening courses are there. So for diploma in day colleges the duration time is 3 years, and diploma for evening colleges the time is duration is 3.5 years. Day college 3 years and evening college 3.5 years. So each year 2 semester will be there. Total there will be 6 semester, and after 1 year of your course you should not fail more than in 4 subject. If you are fail in more than 4 subject, then you will be not eligible for next semester. So mainly that the diploma the passing and scoring in diploma examination is very easy, because the maximum questions are repeated. If you follow the 5 years question, then you will be you can score good marks. And it will very easy for you. And when you are going to study, that time you should concentrate on concept. You should understand first, and you should make a habit to write the content, then you can remember that one easily. And if you read, suppose if you read today, our topic is non conventional energy. So after 24 hours you should revise that one. Like that strategy you have to take, then you can easily remember. And another one thing, that you can use your own tricks. Suppose in that is this is the manufacturing technology too. It is a mechanical subject, so it will be in third semester. So see, here one difference is there, that is conventional and non-conventional machine. So in that, if you make some sentence here, when I am studying that subject, so I make one sentence, that is, since direct hard noise simply lower or less or semi or complex problem. So you can see that the first line, that is contain the, using this first word I make that made that sentence, so it will be easy to remember. So like that tricks, in your own tricks you can use. And main thing is, you have to make the habit of writing. If you write the whatever you learn, then it will be very easy to remember. And those who are not good in maths, so if you are going for any tuitions, or you are taking any suggestions, or you can clear your doubt from your seniors also, then it will be very helpful. At least one thing I can tell you, that in engineering or diploma, you should have the clear idea. You should, the concept of that subject should be clear, then you can get good marks. And if you are not able to understand the concept, then it will be very tough to write. And if you are going for any tuition center also, it is very good. And in diploma or engineering, there are few subjects are problematic and few are theoretical, but the scope in taking good marks in problematic subject. So you should concentrate on both subjects, and you can score out about 8 problems. So you can join in any colleges. If you are going to join in other state, so you have to bring your migration certificate and TC from your school, and your eligibility of entering in diploma courses is 10th passed. So you should be 10th passed. So thank you for watching my video. So I'll bring like that helpful videos for your education. It will help you for study. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, then subscribe my video for getting a new good videos. Thank you.